Question 14. So we need to estimate the mean time. So what do we need to know? We've got 40 runners, and this is how long they took to finish the marathon. So 10 of them took between 60 and 90 minutes, 14 took between 90 and 120, and so on. Now, how long did these 10 runners actually take? Well, we don't know. They took something between 60 and 90. And this is where the estimating comes into place. We've just got to assume they took the average time, so the midpoint, halfway between 60 and 90, which is 75. Best way to work out the midpoint, well, just add the two numbers together and halve it. So you're working out the average. 60 add 90 is 150. Half of that is 75. So we start off by working out the midpoints of each of these time intervals. And now, so we're going to assume that those 10 runners took exactly 75 minutes. Those 14 runners took exactly 105, and so on. So how many minutes in total? Well, we cross multiply 10 times 75, 14 times 105, etc., which I've done over here. Adding up that column, we get a total minutes of 4650. Now that's spread over the 40 runners, so that gives us an estimate of 116.25. Now be careful, don't just go and round that to say 116 or 120 because it says estimate. This isn't where the estimating comes into place. Alright, you've got to give your full answer. The estimating comes from that assumption we made right at the beginning that we're going to assume that each runner ran the midpoint time, given that we don't actually know how long the runners ran for.